my brother. Take care of yourself, my sister. People fit drive 100 miles to come bury you, but them no fit cross one street to help you when you dey struggle. Chuku, biko, make we learn to value ourselves before the world forgets us. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. When you get money, everybody they call. When trouble comes, everywhere go quiet. Some people fit promise you heaven, but when you need them, them know they sight. Them fit drive long distance for your burial, but while you dey alive, them no ask if you eat. Them fit post your picture with long tribute, but when you dey hungry, them no cross the street. One them Cheta and Ogene. Remember yourself, my brother. No, they spend your whole life trying to make everybody happy. Onye ga-ABỊA, who takes care of himself, protects his life. Hey, take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Guard your heart.
Guard your heart.
Choose your people wisely.
Choose them wisely.
Everybody wey smiles with you, no mean say them truly love you. Jisie,
mama,
don't lose yourself for people. Take care of yourself.
Onyoma,
take care of yourself.
Cheta and Ogene, man them.
Cheta and Ogene.
Cheta and Ogene.
People fit drive 100 miles to come bury you, but they no fit cross one street to help you. So love yourself while you dey here.
Love yourself.
Value your life while you dey breathe.
Value your life.
Mama,
Jisie, Onyoma, Cheta and Ogene.
hey, Cheta and Ogene. No be every friendship you must keep. No be every battle you must fight. Some people remember your number only when they need something for their life. When you they give, them call you brother. When you stop, them call you proud. When you set boundaries, them go say you don't change somehow. Hey, I'm on way long. Yes, I have changed. I learned to protect my peace. I learned to know my worth. ONYE ga-ABỊA. If you not stand for yourself, who go stand for you? Don't wait until your body breaks before you listen to your soul. Don't wait until everybody leaves before you learn to stand alone. God gave you life, so treat that life like treasure. Don't throw yourself away trying to please the whole world. Take care of yourself.
Onyoma,
Take care
of yourself.
Cheta and Ogene.
Man them. Cheta and Ogene.
Hey, people fit drive 100 miles to come bury you, but them no fit cross one street to help you. So love yourself while you dey here.
Love yourself. Value your life. While you dey breathe. Value your life.
Jisie,
Jisie, Cheta and Ogene. Cheta and Ogene.
Ogene, Oja, Oja, Onyoma,
Mama,
Jisie, if them no check on you,
check on yourself.
if them no encourage you, encourage yourself.
Encourage yourself.
If them no celebrate you, celebrate your little victories. Income don't wait for everybody before you start living your life. No be rehearsal. There are people who will miss you only after you are gone. There are people who will praise your kindness when they can no longer ask for more. So while you still there grieve, learn to say no when you need to. Obisirige, dutsirige. The strong heart makes a strong life. Protect your peace, protect your dream. Protect the people who truly love you, and don't feel guilty for choosing yourself sometimes, because loving yourself is not be selfishness. Oh, mommy, it is wisdom. Take care of yourself.
Onyoma,
Take care
of yourself.
Cheta and Ogene.
One them.
Hey,
Cheta and Ogene.
hey, people fit drive 100 miles to come bury you, but them no fit cross one street to help you. So long wait for tomorrow.
Be today.
Don't wait for their approval.
Know your worth.
Don't abandon yourself because people abandon you. Jisie, When nobody comes,
stand for yourself.
when nobody believes,
Believe in yourself.
you give out a uru. Your life is valuable.
Onyama, Cheta, onwe.
Remember yourself. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Jisie,
Jisie, Cheta, onwe.
before anybody can value you, learn to value yourself.